Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to assign multiple users for the multiple tasks. So let's see about it. You can see here our module Dev Project Task Multi-User. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to projects, go to task, select multiple. Now go to action and see here this menu mass update users. Now I add 3 and click on this update button. So see here multiple tasks in assign multiple users. Thank you.